Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can search in the Generator AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.generatorAI.com. So once you do this, you will end up in this page, and all you need to do now is go in the search bar and type in the name of any character you want to search. So now once you have typed it in, you can select the subsections of the characteristics that the character possesses and tap it on. So after you have selected the subsection and the name of the character, different characters will appear on the screen. So you can select any of the character you want to have a chat with. So this is how you search in your Generator AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.